Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys one of my favorite pre-shampoo treatments, and these are the oils that we'll be using. First oil is the olive oil, which contains antibacterial properties and adds shine to the hair. I love using this one because it's easily accessible and very affordable. Next we have is neem oil, which helps condition the scalp and is also good to promote healthy hair growth. Next we have the almond oil. The main properties of the almond oil is that it softens the hair and it strengthens the hair. Then we have the soya oil or the soya bean oil. Now this has high vitamin E properties and it helps reduce inflammation. Then we have the coconut oil. This helps prevent hair loss and also helps hair growth. Finally, we have the shea butter. This helps reduce dryness of the hair and has anti-inflammatory properties. So if you're wondering why I have most of my oil in plastic containers and not the original containers, I make most of my oils by myself, and the ones that I buy mostly come in breakable containers. And to just avoid stories, I transfer them to plastic bottles or plastic containers to just be, at peace with myself. Now I use 2 essential oil for this hair process, and so you'll be needing 2 plastic cups and a plastic or an oil dispenser bottle, whichever one you have. And we are going to transfer the oil into the smaller plastic cup and put hot water and the bigger one and let it have a hot bath. I'll also add that I specifically chose oils that have anti-dandruff properties because I once had dandruff and I tried to get rid of it and I don't want it coming back at all. So each oil here, I think about 4 of the oil have anti-dandruff properties, and also you don't need this amount of oil for your pre-poo.
artificial love, artificial love, artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough, and even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love, artificial love, artificial love, artificial love. Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough, and even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush, I never meant to fall.
For the essential oils, you need just a drop or 2 drops. They are highly concentrated oils, so a drop or 2 is perfectly okay for an entire bottle of oils.
And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love, artificial love.
Now you'll be needing very hot water for this process because we are trying to break down the thick oils and make everything, I won't say liquidified because they're not actually liquids, they are oil, but make everything be in an oil form, and then warm it up because we need it to be warm or hot when we are applying it to our hair. So I boiled my water for a very long time, and I transferred the oil container into the container where I poured in the hot water, and I stirred for about 5 to 10 minutes. I think about 5 minutes, to be specific. And if your water is really hot, it should melt. Everything should melt and become one in that short amount of time. And after that, I transfer them to my dispenser, container, bottle, and apply them to my hair. So a tip I'll be giving is that when applying the oil to your hair and you feel it's no longer hot enough, you can just soak it back in a warm bath. You can just put it back in a hot bath, basically not a warm bath, in a hot bath, and it heats up the oil once again.
Artificial love, artificial love, artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love, artificial love, artificial.
Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope to see you next time when I post my next video. And I'll be showing you guys also how to make anti-dandruff shampoo next, and I hope you guys watch the video too. Bye.